see by ourselves. Yeah. Thank you.
PDP. PD and P. Great aspect. Great aspect. Ibokwenu. 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 You know, there's one thing. Everywhere where they go the campaign. If I want to talk, and this kind of thing, they help me. Then make I will go say good name. I know say plenty of my children they go that primary school when I pay for them. I mean they know they go. Yes, they go. There they go. And to their wife tell them say the time when they want start school, I give them free uniform. Yes. They don't talk rich house.
Yes. They tell us yes.
They tell them now. Yes. But before that school, they all of money pay for private school.
Of course.
I may not be so. But at least the money don't reduce now. You know, say, now not that primary school now, I take first for the last thing what they do for those states. As that primary school just reach. It's unfortunate say the headmistress don't follow me come. He follow me go campaign. You understand? You see, in everything that we do, I was asked to come and serve my people. I was not asked to come and sit in the office to be served. I can't serve my people. Because waiting my papa don't fair do. He said, make I go. Make I make sure say his name not lost. Or where again he may weak. So everything when I do, you see this life, everything you see, property, cars, all the vanity upon vanity. No one will they carry go house. But the only thing where would they take commot, that be the name where we will live for granted. So what will you be remembered for? That is the most important thing in this life. Because when my papa won't go, 15 years before he won't come out, he don't build a grave for my papa compound here. Every time we go, they tell us that they will bury him. And really, when he died, 1 week, he's making no pass, they don't put him for fridge. 1 week, they rush to the burial. But all the properties, everything where he live, the guy they follow me. No. But wherever I go, anywhere I go, people they pray for me. They tell me, say, if not be your papa, if not be your papa, if not be your papa, that one alone, if they give me strength, say I want to more. And I will continue to do my best. I will continue to do my best. I know say this area, the road not good. We know her for a very long time. The problem one they face for this area now, are mostly water. Now because of this gutter, they never do gutter pass all this area now. May go link, enter that one where they do for Tenzai Road. But one thing I will say to you, you know that not everything council will do. Anybody where come here, come into now, come tell a story. Now don't see them before. When they talk finish, now go laugh, now go let them go. Because who never go there, no go know how you sweet. Like my part of just now. Road where person don't feel pass before. If they had them, no. You don't see where apprentice they show a guy walk. No. So me I just call those ones say that apprentice. Because there's no way where apprentice go no walk past him. Now God I teach and walk. Let me make and say this council matters so. As I go back there by God's grace, if not all of you support me, I go back there on the 2nd, by on the 4th I will be sworn in. Now where I stop, now I will continue from. Because that place when I stop, now as I leave on, now so it's still there. But by God's grace, I will make sure say I finish the one where I know say I will fit do. The only thing where council they fit do, now to when council will drag me, madam, see my community, this thing not there, this thing not there. As councillor they drag me I go they drag the governor. Or why I see as there and then I you understand? So now governor, now we go to beg every day, make him help us. The only thing where they fit do for this area now, they call them F road. Now let to grade and some fill. Apart from grading and some filling, it is hard for local government to come tie road. Me and I know say it's not possible. But with the fit influencer, You understand? As I don't do this Tezame road finish now, every other thing I to be talking about the corner road. But another thing, no say this in Evbareke road. You get gutter, I mean not get gutter. But the gutter they full all the time. You know, they full all the time. And when they put dirty, all the water where they stay for all this road now, if you fit, you know, so they get how they go for you shovel, connect all those water where they road to the go those gutter. But when gutter don't full, water not go see where it go. But in this new administration where we enter, so by God's grace, if I get the nomination, if I get the we are going to introduce what they call road makers. Road makers are the people who clean the gutters, road makers. The last time we had road makers in this state was during the time of my late father. So I am bringing it back to Egor. Those road makers, now they help us. They clean, they deceit all the gutters so that things go dey easy. But when that time come, I go still come back, come beg now for support. Because one finger no fit carry lies for head. Together, now we go fit do one. If one person tell you say don't worry, if he reach there, he go do one. Now lie, now 419. You no go fit like that because it's not easy. I know they promise waiting, I know they fit do. But because I don't go there before, I know say if I reach there, anything when I meet there, I know how go fit take put am.
Mama Dede! Mama Dede! Mama Dede! Mama Dede! PDP!
See, when I come out from council, 2021, I render what is called stewardship. Some people here were invited to the town hall in Egor local government, where I present to the state government and the people of Egor local government say, see what thing I don't do. You understand? Everything is on ground. Not before paper a day, not before photo. For everywhere when I walk for Egor local government, everywhere they there. And as we they go, where they go now, I don't do what they call manifesto. The things when I go do when I reach council. Because my papa teach me one thing. He said you must plan ahead. You must have a master plan of whatever you want to do. Not be say when you don't sit down there, you'll come begin to think. 3 years is like 3 days. If you don't plan on time, before you know it happen, 3 years don't come out. All those projects when I do for Egor local government were done within 1 year, 8 months. Not be 3 years I did one. Because this was my stewardship of everything when I do for Egor local government as I won't come out. Part of it is the building of Egor Cottage Hospital, where they for Ward 4 is there, not the story. Then now, this is the mandate of hope, the next phase of Egor. Everything when I get planned to do as I dey come so, I don't put them down already. So I already planned the way I want Egor. I don't already plan the way I want Egor make it be, so that it will benefit the people of Egor local government. Anything when I dey do, I don't dey carry anyone go my house. Abi? Yes. Everything when Papa dey talk, when my papa do, he can't follow body. No. Not be our people they enjoy them. So we come back now. Say on that day, on the 2nd of September, make una do una best to make sure say una deliver me for Egor local government. But that day, my photo where you dey see so, you not go dey there. The only thing where you go see there, now the logo of PDP. Now 2 ballot paper, now they go give una that day. One for the council chairman and one for the councillor. You see, when you dey work with people, where understand, where know what they're supposed to do for their community, it is very easy. Mostly when you are working with legislators that understand you, that you are going there to serve the people, Not going there to make money because there's no money for you to make there. Rather to serve the people. That's why I keep saying, good name is better than riches. Because we're not carry anyone come out here. So please, I beg you in the name of God, come September 2nd, most of you don't reside in this area. Your businesses are here. Wherever you reside, I want you to help us with the gospel that every candidate in this local government to vote, gonna vote for PDP. If even you know they live for this area, if they live for somewhere like Oredo or Obaoka, anywhere, I beg, now PDP. Because you see when council be PDP, state now PDP, it is easy. You don't understand? Yes. There's no way you can be in an opposition and deliver the dividends of democracy. It's always good to be in the same, if the same party there, life is easier and easier. Then it will be easy for whoever that is a councillor or whoever that is a council chairman to deliver that word, dividends of democracy.
Great husband! Yes. This one another journey. So, as our mama don't tell us now, you don't go there before, and the experience you don't do there. So now for we be asked back to support her. Like as our mother say, some of us not there here. Like me, I there far, but my wife can hear that vote. Likewise, as many of us here, and here we register. Majority of this market now this zone. And they come up very early in the morning from my house. Make sure I come cast my vote here. Because now here, I and they say that way, but throughout the day, now here, now they stay. So now, so I'm going to support that. Great aspect.
The great aspect. Our visitors, thank you people. Share lady. You know, you have been there before. That time in the Igbo shaman. One thing I like you for, even when the issue arises, well, at the end of the day, you will compromise. I thank you for that. You know, when you enter that, we have issue of rents. It was blown up. When we started, that is not going to let us do. We call it go do that. Every day we come. The next day we come. But I thank you at the end of the day, it comes to a level that we are able to be paying. But this time we are entering second time. I'm pleading for you to work for us here. You are going to make a good name. PDP, this one we are staying is being done by Orinde. He's a PDP. Yes. Try to do something for us. That's what I'm telling you. You are our wife. Here is your 90% of us here are Igbos. Do something for us. This one we are entering. I want you to see what you do for this market. That is only my thing. You are a very good person. I work for you before that as Igbo shaman. Even when issue came, we come to you, we disagree, we agree. At the end of the day, we come. That's the method of leadership. I love you for that and thank you for that. And I say this one you are going to do more for us in Jesus' name. Yeah. Great husband.
When I was in my village, I was hearing about Ogbemudia. Ogbemudia has been a great man before his death, and he's still a great man now today. Yes. Today, tomorrow, he's a great man. So what am I trying to say here is this: you are the product of Ogbemudia. You have been there in the local government, and you have tried so much. There was a particular day I remember what you have done. I don't know if those same people are still there now. I was coming from a local. If not God that helped me out, I almost killed one girl at the market before opposite that. When I escaped that incident, I realized and remember that there is some people set up over there on the way, on the highway. Stop before you cross. I think you are the one that set up that thing. There is area you mentioned in our Evbareke papers here that touches me so much. You talk about the gutter that we suppose normally is not not everything that government can do for us. There is some certain things we're supposed to have done by ourselves. Like this gutter you talk about. Sometimes the gutter will fill up. Sometimes we pack it on our own. The area I want to come in is this. Sometimes when we pack it, you will see the deck beside of both sides of the road. Nothing to pack it. And maybe we are not financial enough to rent truck to remove it. and it will be there. Wherever all the sand go back to the gutter, and when you come, whoever has seen that will feel that these people are not right. We are trying in this area. We know how much and you and we have spent to make this area be standard. So there is no dispute about it, there is no trouble about it, there is no doubt about it. You are going there. Amen. And for what I'm saying now, PDP is going to stand in this state, or local government, in this state.
That's so our purpose, our patron for life. If you look into it, now no, once I can that day, I tell you about this matter, he said until you do better before all this water can move to this market. But what we need is that it will help us to do a palliative first, to remove all those water. After the woman entered council, we will meet up, all of us work together to resolve it. How this water will go for this market. Anything we tell our sister, we will obey. If you go in the morning, in the evening, you will obey us. We get cash before the rent and the long run. We settle it inside the office. Everything close up. May God bless you. Father, we glorify you in Jesus' name.
I think the councillors and the council chairperson, they say, we say the people says now go well, and there's one person and go well now. So I give one song to sing, and that thing is a person that all of us know. Please, I want you to join me if you know it. PDP.